Hey guys, what's up? Sam here, back with another video. Now I know I've been a bit MIA recently, and that's because I was in Vegas at NAB. I wish. Just kidding guys, I was dealing with some family stuff, but that's over with now, so we're back to doing videos. Alright, now today's video is one that I was supposed to do a long time ago, but I just didn't get around to doing it, so we're gonna do it here now. It's a quick little video, and this video is going to be talking about 5 things that you definitely have to do once you get a brand new smartphone. All right, now you know that these smartphones are dropping pretty much every 2-3 months, and there's some things that a lot of you guys still aren't doing as yet. So I'm just going to go over some of the things that you definitely need to do once you have a new smartphone. All right, now most of these points are going to be applicable to pretty much all smartphones that are out now. However, some of these are going to be pretty specific to Google and Samsung devices. All right, so it's enough chatting guys, let's start this video. Now, being in the tech industry and working with phones every single day, customers come in daily telling me that they have a cracked screen or a broken screen, or their bezel is damaged, something like that, and they want it to be repaired. So the first tip I'm going to give you guys is to definitely go out and get a case for your phone. That's the first thing you should do. And for me, normally when I'm buying a phone, I even buy the case first before I even get the phone. That's because I always want to protect the phone. So you definitely need to get a phone case for your smartphone. Now here are 3 cases that I definitely do recommend. Each one is a bit different from the other. This one is just a single hard wood on the back and hard rubber around the edges. It does give it some protection around the tops because the lid kind of comes over, so it will protect the glass in that manner. And this is my favorite case. It's from Carved. So if you do like this case, I'll leave links to this in the description box down below as well. All right, now the next one here is a 2-piece case. All right, this is one from Casemates, and they do have other types that are not so girly, but this is the one I really like because it offers a lot of protection, especially when it comes to drop resistance. The insole here prevents it from, absorbing shock and stuff like that. So it's another really good case. And this one here is a folio case. This one is also from Casemates. So it will definitely protect the screen, especially if it drops like that. It will protect the screen, and it's just like an all-in-one case. You can put cash, cards, IDs, and the phone. So I really do like that. All right, so that's cases guys. All right, now the next thing you guys should definitely get is a screen protector. That's number 2 on this list. All right, now my screen protector of choice is this one right here. I had it on the Nexus 6P, and it's called IntelliGlass HD. It's by IntelliArmor, and I really love this one because I had it on my 6P and I just had one for like 3 years. And it just helps your screen to last longer in terms of scratch resistance, and it's a glass screen protector. So if you drop your phone, the chances of your screen damaging is a little bit more minimal because the glass screen protector will probably break before the glass on your phone. So that's why I always opt for having a glass screen protector as opposed to like a plastic one. Now, even though I'm telling you guys that you should have a screen protector on your phone, I actually don't have one on my Pixel 2, which is very bad, but I wanted to wait until I was doing this video to apply it. And you know how that went. Let's just go ahead and put the screen protector on right now guys. Now another reason why I like the screen protectors from IntelliArmor is because I normally get 2 screen protectors in one. So in case you make a mistake installing it, you have a backup, or in case one gets damaged sometime down the line, you have another one. So I definitely recommend these guys. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead, take it out. All right, put one to the side, and we're gonna just start this off. Alright, so it's on now, but it's not as perfect as I'd like it to be. There's still a little bit of air bubbles, but for me, I don't really mind because to me, it's about practicality and not too much about looks. So it's on, and once you turn the screen on, you don't really see the bubbles or anything like that. So for me, this is pretty fine. All right, now the third thing you should definitely do once you have your new phone is, especially for Google devices guys, you should definitely make sure that your bootloader is unlocked. All right, make sure you have OEM unlock ticked on if you have a Google phone, or if you have a Samsung phone, or I think some other ones have this. But the reason why I say this guys is because, let's say, especially for the Nexus devices or Pixel devices, let's say your phone is in a boot loop, something crashed, you don't know what happened to it, it's soft, brake is not turning on. All right, if your phone has the OEM unlock checked in the developers menu, then you can go ahead and unlock the bootloader. And if you can unlock the bootloader, then you can go ahead and flash a new firmware. All right. And this is especially crucial for Google devices, guys. I had other people in chats or online tell me, oh, my phone is in a boot loop or it's soft bricked, how can you help me? And the thing is, there's nothing you can do once the bootloader is locked. And if you can't unlock the bootloader by ticking that OEM thing in the developers menu, you're pretty much luck. So you definitely need to go ahead, turn that on. I'll show you guys right here how it looks. So you need to go into the developers menu here and go into about phone. All right, so go ahead, tap on build number a couple times, and then it should turn the developers thing on. So for me, my bootloader is already unlocked, so OEM unlocking is already grayed out. But just go ahead, and you can also make sure you have USB debugging turned on, because sometimes that does help you when you're having a bit of a problem. Let's say your phone screen is broken and you need to, you know, try to connect it to a computer to get stuff off. So for me, I always leave USB debugging turned on as well as OEM unlock. All right, so just go ahead and make sure OEM unlocking is turned on, and in that way you can, you know, flash ROMs on it or firmware, factory images, whatever you need to do. All right, so that is a very crucial step. That's something that you definitely should do once you have a new device. All right, so that's number 3. Number 4 is something that happens to a lot of other customers that I come in contact with, and that is their phone screen is damaged or something happened that they have to flash their phone, wipe it. They're not able to get their pictures back. And for me, I always tell customers, once you get a new phone, definitely utilize the Photos app by Google. Now, a lot of you guys have Samsung devices, LG devices, and the Google Photos app might be on there, but you never ever use it. Guys, definitely use the Photos app. It has been a lifesaver for me. Now, you can even just turn it on and forget about it. It doesn't matter. Just utilize that app, guys, because it can be a lifesaver. Sometimes, I'm not sure if the Samsung Cloud does backup for photos, but with the Photos app, it's an unlimited amount of space. All right, so also, guys, you can also free up spaces, because a lot of mid-range devices, they don't really come with a lot of internal memory on there. So just having the Photos app and utilizing the backup cloud system will be really good to kind of free up space on the device itself. All right, so that's number 4. All right, guys, so the 5th tip I have to give you guys, something that you should definitely do once you get a new smartphone, has to do with security. And this is kind of twofold. Now, the first thing you definitely should do is go ahead and have some type of security measure on your device. That way, in case it's lost or stolen, then thieves or hackers or whosoever will have a slightly harder time getting inside your device, as well as obtaining your information. So if it's media or business information, something that's secretive or, you know, top class stuff, then they'll have a hard time getting access to that, and maybe none at all. Now, the first thing you should definitely go ahead and do is put some type of password on this. Now, for me, I really do love the fingerprint. It's just fast and easy, and there is a backup password or pin that I have attached to that as well, in case my fingers are, you know, burnt or whatever. So yeah, definitely should have a password on that. Also, guys, the second thing, always make sure that your phone is up to date, especially when it comes to security updates, because you guys know we do FRP on this channel, and sometimes it's really hard to bypass these Google factory reset protection stuff. All right, so most times the higher the security update is, the harder it is to bypass. So even if someone steals your device, sometimes even if they wipe it, it's very hard or maybe impossible to bypass the Google factory reset protection on here. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. Definitely get a case for your device, a screen protector. Make sure to unlock your bootloader. Always use the Photos app, and always be secure. So I do hope you guys enjoyed this little video. I did enjoy making it and sharing my tips that I live by when it comes to having a new phone. And maybe it can help you guys in the future, because if you just unlock your bootloader, guys, that can save you a whole lot of pain and headache, and maybe even possibly trying to have to get a new smartphone. So yeah, guys, that's it for me in this video. I do hope you guys liked it. If you did, definitely let me know by smashing that thumbs up button down below. And if you found it useful, guys, definitely go ahead, share with your grandma, your mom, your dad, your aunt, your uncle, whosoever you think might gain some use from this video. As always, my name is DaKoin, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.